Shenzhen YYX Zipper Manufacture Company Limited, located in Shenzhen, nearby Hong Kong, is a professional and high-quality zipper, promotional lanyard keychain gifts manufacturer, owned advanced and professional production lines and test equipment. Focus on designing and producing different kinds of garment accessories and promotional gifts. Building up long-term business relationships with many big domestic and international brands in America and Europe. Based on over 14 years' experience, YYX products are popular and approved by many customers who from all over the world. We do believe the quality of products is the soul of YYX, so no complaint for the product quality was received till now. And all the product of us have passed U.S. California Proposition 65 and RoHS test. And YYX got the approval of ISO 9001 and Social Accountability Certificate of SA 8000. That's why so many big brands choose YYX. No complaint for the product quality was received till now. With brand quality but competitive price, YYX products are spreading the whole world. We owned 24 hours professional before and after sales service team. If any questions, you can check with our team members anytime. Choose YYX. That means you choose brand quality products, cost-efficient price, safety business partner. YYX Zipper Factory welcomes new and old customers to visit anytime.